Alright guys, I'm Terry Baylor selling Utah Real Estate. Come on in and check out the house we're selling. So as you walk in, you've got our living room right here. It can be used as an office or however you want to set it up. But it's nice here. We've been using it as an office. This is actually our home and our listing. Right, so we lived here for about a year. Anyway, it's been really good. We built it, designed it out ourselves. What we really liked about it were the big, tall ceilings, the open concept, and the main level living. So you've got the master bedroom just over here to the right. So you have a king bed here that fits just fine. It's a pretty roomy bedroom. And then it's the only bedroom that's here on the main level. And as you come through the bathroom, you have double sink, you have your tub and your separate shower that are here. The throne room and the closet. It's a good size walk-in. You should be able to fit at least half of your wife's clothes here. Back to the main area, so we've got your living room that's right here. Good room for your dining table right here, with plenty of space in between. And then your kitchen right here. It does have a gas range. You have your fridge and your dishwasher here, and it's all nice open area, and your pantry is just in here. As you can see, we have some kernels if you decide to make some popcorn while you're here. Just make sure you clean up the mess. And as we come through here, you have your half bathroom here, just off of the kitchen. Your laundry room is right here, again, all on the main level. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Now here on the main level, we do have a gas fireplace. And now we'll head downstairs where there's a completely separate apartment that we finished out and we decked out to the T. And as you can see, we have the stairs and their own separate entrance for the basement apartment here. We have a living room, dining area, and a kitchen, all here with a nice open concept. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and 1 office. And all of this on the main level, except for in the bedrooms, is a LVP flooring. So it's nice, water resistant, scratch proof. It's really good, durable material. So this is the office space. It's great for an office, or if you want to do something or have a place to film. It's really nice because you have no windows, so you can control your own lights and set it up that way. And here's the bathroom. We went all out on the tile here, quartz countertops, tile throughout, and all these showers here are frameless. And over here in the kitchen area, we have all stainless steel appliances here, and quartz countertops with nice wood cabinets here. And over here we have my favorite bathroom. Yeah, we designed this with the fun accent wall. Same thing here, you have your frameless glass. And we have your bedroom here. your other bedroom here. And the basement does have its own laundry setup. That's the house, so if you guys have any questions or if there's anything that we can do to help out, let me know.